Okay, so first we're gonna try an easy example of a plugin to install. So let's go to the installer dashboard page. In the intelligent search, type CKeditor, and you will get this link, the plugin installer for CKeditor, that will take you directly to the dashboard page. So you can see in the menu, if you're looking for it, it's under System and Settings, Basics, Plugin Installer. Here it is. So this button here would take you to the official website's plugin page, so you can download more plugins if you want. We want to add a plugin, so we're clicking here. So I set up a walkthrough to help you understand how it goes, so we're going to use that. The walkthrough first offers you to download a plugin, a demonstration plugin if you want, called Autolink. So you can just start by opening that page. It takes you to CKeditor's website to download Autolink. So we're going to simply download it on the computer. It will start automatically. Here we go. And we can now close this one. Okay, so the walkthrough, click on Next. This is just for demonstration. Of course, you don't need the walkthrough every time. So first, we want to upload the plugin. Let's click on the upload here, look for a plugin. Here it is, and it uploads. Nice little progression bar. Okay, here it did two things. First, it filled up the Autolink, the plugin handle field automatically, so you don't need to do that. It gets it from the zip file. Then it tells you what other plugins this plugin needs. And if you hover over the label, it tells you what's going on. This one is in green. It means it's available and it's already working and active. It's already installed. So it's most likely a core plugin that comes with Concrete5. So you don't need to worry about it. In case the plugin it's installing or downloading or something, clicking on a label takes you to the proper page to do that. Once you do that, you have to give it a name and you have to make it unique. So just, you can use, it's called Autolink, so I'll just call it Autolink. Just make sure you don't have two plugins with the same names. Then you decide to activate it or not. Let's say yes, we're going to activate it, of course. And from there, everything else is depending on your needs. Plugin version number. If you want to put one, you don't have to. It's just in case you want to update, you want to remember what there is. So, 1.7.1. Description. If you need it, go ahead. So this converts pasted URLs into links. Like that, whoever will use that will remember what it is. And this field, we'll see later in an example, some plugins require specific configuration, so you would put those values there. We'll see that in another example. And by default, anybody who has access to the editor, usually people with editor access, will have access to the plugin. Now, if you want, you can limit it by selecting some specific groups. So if you leave this empty, anybody with access to the editor will have access to the plugin. If you want certain groups, then anybody with access to the editor and belonging to that group or those groups, one of those groups, will be allowed. If you set up several groups, somebody will have to belong to at least one of those groups to have access to the plugin. So we're good. Once we're done, we save. Okay, save. Congratulations, no problem. I could delete it, but I'm not going to do that. So back to the plugin list, we're going to see a few things. Information that's useful. So we have our information, what we just entered. Is there configuration? No. It's active? Yes. Files, okay, meaning the plugin files were installed correctly and everything is there and it's correct. Dependencies, okay, means they're active, everything is as it should be, and then it's ready to use. So now we can come back to our editing page here. I'm going to reload the page so it knows to load our plugin. And so what we said, what is this plugin does is you paste a URL in the content block, it will automatically make it a link. So this is my block, I'm putting in edit mode, and I'm gonna get the link from here, and I'm gonna paste it. Here we go. It's asking me security extra, paste, and okay. And it got converted into a link automatically thanks to a new plugin. Here we go. It's a link. It's automatic. Now, thanks to that plugin, anytime you paste a URL, it will make it a link.